This is tutorial number 33, and it covers how to apply texture to a part within Solidworks. To start off, let's open up Hinge 3, which is located on the DVD. Now to apply texture to a part, click Edit Texture. Now, if we want to apply texture to this face, we'll click this face, and we can choose which texture we're going to apply to that. So let's open up the metal. Let's click the machined, click Cast 1, and you can see a preview of what it's going to look like down here, and you can also see it in the window with your part, what it's going to look like. Now you can choose any of them and apply it. Let's choose Cast 2, click OK, and now we've applied that texture to that face. Now let's apply the texture to multiple faces, so click Edit Texture. Let's click this face, this face, this face, and this face. And this time let's click Plastic, click Composite, click Carbon Fiber, click OK, and now we've applied carbon fiber to those four faces. Now to remove a texture from a face, click Edit Texture, click the face, click Remove Texture, click OK, and we've removed the texture from that face. Now let's remove the textures from all of the faces. Click Remove Textures, click OK, and now there's no texture left on the part. Now to put texture all over the part, click Edit Texture, click Hinge 3, click OK, and now the whole Hinge 3 is carbon fiber. Now in the textures, there's not just building materials like carbon fiber, steel, metal, there's also organic ones. So let's click Edit Texture, and you can go down and you can see that there's wood, there's bark, there's beech, and also in the organic ones, we can actually get grass. So let's click Hinge 3, click Grass, and now click OK, and we've made grass texture all over our Hinge 3. The grass can be used if you're modeling a house, or if you're modeling something outside and you want to add a nice dimension to it. You can make trees too. Click Edit Texture, click Tree, click Beech, and in the preview window you can see you can actually make a tree. Now click Hinge 3, and let's click the cedar tree, and you can just see a small image of the cedar tree actually made it on there. But if you have a flat panel, you can, instead of modeling all these trees, you can just make the panel, apply the tree texture, and you've created trees in your background. Okay, now click OK, and that concludes our tutorial on how to edit texture within a SolidWorks part.